Hey guys, it's Jesse W with Hustle with Jesse W coming back at you today with a quick little morning recap on my trade today. Sadly, another red day today. Not by much, 27 bucks. That's nothing. Had 500 shares of ASNS and kept my risk here in check. As you can see here, this is the chart right here on ASNS. We had this big move and we had a pullback. This pullback bounced right off of this 440, real strong 30-cent candle. That looked really nice. Then we started to hold this VWAP, which is this purple line, and the 90 MA, considered by some of the trade line, right here we were holding, and it was at 440 more or less. Actually, sorry, 450, 449, 450 area. And I went ahead and got long right here at 455 on this candle. Once we saw this, that it got bought up, and we had another one, I got long right here at 455, looking for a break of this 470 and a retest of high day. My plan was to add potentially another 500 shares here, giving me 1,000 shares over 470 with an average at that point of what, like 460, 463, something like that. But what happened was we tapped this 470 and we quickly came back down. I didn't stop out down here or anything like that. As soon as I saw this action, I considered it extremely bearish because we tapped that pivot and we retraced all the way back down to that VWAP, that support line. So I immediately got flat right there at 450. You can see here, bringing up my orders. Got long 454, stopped out 450, 500 shares. And that was it. As you can see, the trade continued to fail down. We're now down in the 420s, and this is why we cut our losers. The problem is, if you cut your loser, look at this, 412 now, 411. If I would have cut that loser down here, I'd be down a crap load of money. You know, at that point, I'd be down a crap load of money. Instead, I cut my loss right here as soon as I recognized that this stock looked like it had more chances of failing than actually winning. Lost 4 or 5 cents per share. That's nothing. Plus my commissions, I lost $27.70 here. I'll show you a screenshot of that real quick. So you can see, even though you already saw the orders there, go ahead and show you this just so that no one comes out talking some mad crap. Oh, how did you just lose 27 bucks? There it is. $27.70. That's what I lost today on that trade. As you can see, the stock is continuing to fail all the way back down to 4 bucks, under $4, just now $3.97 low a day. This is why you cut your losers. This is why you keep your stops. This is why you don't hold bags. You could be down now. I had 500 shares. It's down, you know, like 50 cents. At this point, actually 50 cents. I'd be down 250 bucks. Is that crippling to the account? No, it is not. But why would I risk, you know, 250 bucks when I just risked $27? I had the potential to make a whole lot more money, right? Because my average would have been in the 460 area, and we're talking about selling up there in that 480 to $5 area. You know, giving me $200, $300, $400 winner there potentially, and I risked 27 bucks. That's why you cut your losers. The other trade I was looking to make today was ADIL. ADIL is frustrating to me, and I'll tell you why. I tried to get long this ADIL 2 times at 460. I'm sorry, 260. I tried to get long there, but I didn't have just a bid out there sitting there waiting to catch it. I wanted to make sure there was a bounce area there, and there was a moment in time there. That first bid at 260 was a shot in the dark. The second one, I thought for sure I had it, but didn't fill me. And as soon as it didn't fill me, it made this move from 260, where it would have been my fill, all the way to $3.10. I wouldn't have gotten flat at 310. There's no way. But I would have definitely gotten flat between that 280 and $3 area. I probably would have scaled out, sold some at 280 and then sold the rest at $3, just because we're not seeing huge breakouts really nowadays. Lately we're not seeing big breakouts, so I would have looked to have just gotten completely flat there at that resistance point from earlier this morning, which was the high of day. And that would have been a solid winner right there. You're talking about from 260 and gotten flat somewhere in this $3 area. That would have been a real nice winner, but didn't get it. And I didn't chase it. And this is why we don't chase. This is the other thing. We don't chase stocks. Had you bought this, letting emotions take control and bought this at $3, then you would have had this huge retrace. Not worth it. All right, guys. So until next video, I hope you're having a great morning and better luck than me. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.